Now, in the last 10 years, the trial of Nnamdi Kanu has been on before the judiciary. The delay in the adjudication on this matter was as a result of legal tactics by the defense. Now, to shed more light on this matter, I have with me in the studio Dele Atunbi, who is the head of the NTA Judiciary Desk and who has been following this case and covering it for the past 10 years. Dele Atunbi, you're welcome to Network News. Good to have you.
Thank you, Jume.
Now, in recapping what transpired in court today, can you walk us through what really happened and why was adjudication on this matter sort of delayed?
Well, if you are talking about the delay in adjudication in this matter, we started in 2015 at a magistrate court, later to the Federal High Court here in Abuja. You realize that it is a self-induced delay by the defense itself. And I will tell you this way, that Nigerians should recall that as at today, 4 judicial officers attended to that matter. The first one has to do with Justice Ahmed Mohammed, who recused himself in 2015. In 2016, the present Chief Judge of the Federal High Court recused himself, Justice John Toho, recused himself. And in 2017, it came to the court of Justice Binta Iyako. At every point in time, the first 3 judges were accused by Nnamdi Kanu, the defendant, for the fact that he did not have confidence in them. And if he was saying that he did not have confidence in them, who is the judicial officer that will now try this matter? It was serving this. At a point, under Justice Binta Iyako, they took preliminary issues from the trial court to the Court of Appeal up to the Supreme Court. And the Supreme Court had to render the matter back to the Federal High Court for adjudication. It is self-induced, and the truth of the matter is that nobody can say that at any point in time that the delay was as a result of, no, it was the defense that caused the issue of the delay when it comes to the issue of...
Based on the defense, you know, there was a lot of drama today at the court because Nnamdi Kanu raised his alleged illegal rendition back to Nigeria. Now, what was the opinion of the court on this?
Well, the issue of Nnamdi Kanu, when the matter started this morning, came with 3 motions. And those 3 motions were treated and dismissed. The first one has to do with the jurisdiction of the court. The second one has to do with the fact that he wanted the court to give him additional days for him to be able to file his final written address. Don't forget that in the course of this case, Nnamdi Kanu had sacked 3 legal teams of his own, on his own volition. And he decided to defend himself. There is nothing wrong. He has the constitutional right to defend himself in this matter. And I concede that to him, apparently because he has the constitutional right to fair hearing. And if you are talking about the issue of this alleged illegal rendition, which the court had addressed, you see, if he had decided to defend himself, illegal rendition, as at the time that he jumped bail, has denied him any right of talking about alleged illegal rendition. So, and if you equally realize that at a point he was shouting and that the judge did not, Justice Omotosho did not know law. How would you come in the face of the court and be alleged? Well,
they also said that, you know, fair hearing is a fundamental right. So would you say the defendant in this matter was given a fair hearing, briefly?
I will say authoritatively that I was given fair hearing because for 6 consecutive days, the Justice Omotosho, James Omotosho, was appealing to Nnamdi Kanu to enter his defense, and he was given fair hearing.
Okay, Dele Atunbi, who is the head of the NTA Judiciary Desk, who has been following this case from the very beginning. Thank you so much for giving us an update on what really happened today at the court. We appreciate you for coming.
Thank you, Julian.